Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Without wasting any of time, let us dive into history of computers. You might have heard about the story of Ragnar Lothbrok, but in this video, let us look at the historical invention of computers dates back to the 19th century. So with key milestones and contributions from various inventors and scientists, we will first look at some key developments in the historical invention of computers, as we know it is very important to understand how this evolved over time. Did you know that back in the days, the way of communication used to take several days? This type of communication used to be called snail mail communication. Nowadays, communication medium delivers various relay services, from text, audio and video files to datagram, thanks to the help from Vint Cerf and Bob Kahn for inventing Internet protocols. Back in year 1837, an English mathematician and engineer Charles Babbage conceived the concept of a general-purpose computing device called the analytical engine. Although this mechanical computer was never built during Babbage's lifetime, his work laid the foundation for modern computer design. You might have heard of Ada Lovelace's programming algorithms in 1840s. Ada was an English mathematician and writer who worked closely with Babbage, so they developed algorithms for the analytical engine. She is often regarded as the world's first computer programmer. Thanks to her, nowadays computers understand zeros and ones from many programming languages. Well, what about Hollerith tabulating machine from year 1887? In the late 19th century, Herman Hollerith invented a mechanical tabulating machine that used punched cards to process data by reading paper holes. This machine was used for censuses in England, Wales, Italy, Germany, Russia, Austria, Canada, France, Norway, Puerto Rico, Cuba, and the Philippines census, leading to significant advancements in data processing and the birth of modern data storage techniques. Enough about stories, but wait, let's review more so that we will have a deep understanding of the ancient inventories and modern invention technologies. Over time, inventors have been gradually inventing useful technologies. Now let's look at John Abruzzi. Right? No, wrong. John Ambrose and Mr. Round inventory of vacuum tubes that occurred in yearly 1904, where they designed the radio transmitter, which was the first transatlantic radio transmission made. So that's where Mr. Lee de Forest comes in, with the invention of vacuum tube that enabled the amplification and control of electronic signal. Vacuum tubes were used extensively in early computers and paved the way for electronic digital computing. Okay, now, tell me, have heard about something called programming? Behold and meet the set of computers used in yearly 1943 called Colossus computers. These computers were developed by British codebreakers during World War II. Colossus was the first electronic digital programmable computer. It was used to decipher complex codes used by the German military, primarily the Lorenz cipher. What about ENIAC in 1946? The ENIAC? Yes, which means Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, that was the world's first general-purpose electronic computer. It was developed by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert at the University of Pennsylvania. They also used vacuum tubes for calculations. And then, in 1951, the Universal Automatic Computer I, UNIVAC I, was the first commercial computer produced in the United States. It was developed by Eckert and Mauchly's company, Universal Computer Corporation, and used magnetic tape for data storage. Meet Jack Kilby of Texas Instruments and Robert Noyce of Fairchild Semiconductor. In year 1958, they independently invented the integrated circuit, which revolutionized computer design by shrinking electronic components onto a single chip. Why am I telling you this story? By inventing the integrated circuit, IC, now commonly called the microchip, Jack Kilby reduced the tyranny of numbers to one. Suddenly, engineers really could design a computer that could do anything, and they could build it small enough to fit in your pocket, as we all now moving around with wrist smartwatches, cell phones, and sooner or later, we would be merging with Neuralink's chip technology to optimize the brain capabilities. Most of the time when people refers to personal computer, they mean whom is belong to. Well, that's correct, although it's not only limited to who is it belongs to, but expanding to the perspective of how did it even came to exist. So let's look at personal computers from 1970s. The development of personal computers, such as the Altair 8800 series and the Apple II. in the 1970s marked a significant milestone in computer history. These affordable and user-friendly machines played a vital role in popularizing computing technology among households and businesses. Let us have a look at the invention of the Internet. When we talk about the Internet, we refer to a global network of interconnected computers, which began in the 1960s with the development of ARPANET, the Advanced Research Projects Agency network. The Internet has since then become a fundamental component of modern computing, enabling instant communication, information sharing, and online services that we daily use. These are just a few key moments in the historical invention of computers. The field of computing has seen countless advancements and innovations over the years, leading to the sophisticated and interconnected digital landscape we experience today. Someone may ask, what was the objective of computer invention? Well, the objective of computer invention was to create a machine capable of performing complex mathematical calculations quickly and accurately. Additionally, computers were designed to store and process large amounts of data, automate tasks, and provide a means of communication and information sharing. The goal was to create a device that could enhance productivity, improve efficiency, and facilitate scientific research and technological advancements. Over time, computers have evolved to encompass a wide range of functions and applications, including entertainment, education, business operations, and personal use. Let's look at the differences between ancient invention and modern invention, shall we? Yes, the ancient inventions are those that were created and used in the distant past, while modern inventions are those that have been developed in recent times. We will differentiate based on time period and technological advancements. Well, the most obvious difference between ancient and modern inventions is the time period in which they were created. Ancient inventions were developed thousands of years ago, while modern inventions have been developed in the last few centuries. Most often modern inventions are based on advanced technological principles and are the result of extensive research and experimentation. Ancient inventions, on the other hand, were often simple and based on basic scientific knowledge available at that time. So the purpose of ancient inventions were primarily developed to meet basic human needs such as food, shelter, and transportation. They were often designed to make daily life easier and more efficient. In contrast, modern inventions are often developed to address complex societal problems, improve communication, advance medical science, and enhance overall quality of life. Ancient inventions were often crafted using simple tools and relied on traditional manufacturing techniques such as sculpting, weaving, or casting. Modern inventions, however, involve advanced manufacturing processes and techniques, such as 3D printing, nanotechnology, and robotics. Modern inventions have a far-reaching impact on society and have revolutionized various industries such as transportation, communication, healthcare, and entertainment. They have shaped the way we live and interact with the world. Ancient inventions, though essential for their time, have had a relatively limited impact on modern society. Overall, the main difference between ancient and modern inventions lies in the time period, technological advancements, purpose, production techniques, and their overall influence on society. Finally, how does this information of computer history helps you? Well, understanding computer history helps in several ways. Knowing the history of computers allows us to acknowledge and understand the immense progress made in the field of technology over time. It helps us to appreciate how far we have come in terms of computing power, storage capacity, and speed. Studying computer history provides insights into the evolution of various computing concepts and methodologies. For example, understanding the history of programming languages helps us grasp the reasons behind the development of different languages and their advantages or limitations. History also helps when learning from past mistakes of computer failures, such as software bugs or system crashes. We gain valuable knowledge on potential pitfalls and challenges in building and maintaining computer systems. This awareness can assist in preventing or mitigating similar issues in current or future projects. Familiarity with computer history can spark inspiration and creativity, discovering the challenges faced by early computer scientists and engineers and how they overcame them can motivate new ideas and approaches to current technological problems. Knowledge of computer history can inform decision-making processes, especially in the field of IT. Understanding past technologies can help in making informed decisions about upgrading or replacing existing systems, selecting appropriate hardware or software solutions, and determining the viability of new technologies. Well, overall, studying computer history provides a foundation for understanding the present state of technology and enables us to anticipate future advancements. Okay, this video have came to an end. So, thanks again for watching. I hope this video was informative. Please like and subscribe to our channel QuiLab so that you won't miss the upcoming video of supercomputers, mainframe and etc.